I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to save an Excel file as XLSX. Open your workbook, click File, choose Save as, pick Excel Workbook, XLSX, and confirm the file name and location. If prompted, enable compatibility options and review any conversion warnings. Save a backup first when working with legacy formats and check crucial sheets and formulas to ensure nothing broke during the save. Start by opening the file you want to convert and use Save As to keep the original intact. Select Excel Workbook, XLSX, from the format list and choose a folder that makes sense for future access. Rename the file if needed and scan for hidden sheets, external links, or macros that might not transfer. Keep a backup copy and confirm formulas and formatting after the save to prevent surprises. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control for hands-free cleanup, and smart mapping that saves time while you work. It's a neat little productivity boost between spreadsheet sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If macros are present, choose XLSM to preserve them, otherwise XLSX will strip macros. Review compatibility warnings and replace unsupported features like old add-ins or broken external links. Run key calculations and check conditional formatting to ensure visual and numeric integrity. Save a test copy, and if needed, document any manual fixes so you can reproduce them if issues appear after sharing the file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.